Perform hand hygiene. Cover all surfaces of hands with hand sanitizer. Rub hands together until hands are completely dry. Explain the procedure to the resident. Provide for resident's privacy. Raise bed height. Cover resident with a bath blanket. Remove remaining top covers. Fold to bottom of bed or place aside. Remove resident's gown without exposing resident. And place soiled gown in designated laundry hamper. Fill basin with comfortably warm water. Beginning with eyes, wash eyes without soap, using a clean portion of the washcloth for each stroke, washing inner aspect to outer aspect. Wash face without soap. Pat, dry face. Place towel under arm, exposing one arm. Wash arm with soap. Wash hand with soap. Wash underarm with soap. Rinse arm. Rinse hand. Rinse underarm. Pat dry arm. Pat dry hand. Pat dry underarm. Assist resident to put on a clean gown. Empty equipment. Rinse equipment. Dry equipment. Return equipment to storage. Place soiled linen in designated laundry hamper. Lower bed if it was raised. Perform hand hygiene. Cover all surfaces of hands with hand sanitizer. Rub hands together until hands are completely dry. Place call light or signaling device within easy reach of the resident. Maintain respectful, courteous interpersonal interactions at all times.